Hey, how's it going? I'm Corey Norris, and let's get right into it. I wanted to show you guys some new members that's getting started with us, and some members that are inviting people over into the coaching group. We go through the proof group a lot here on my channel, but I wanted to go over the coaching group with you guys so you can see that not just you're gonna just get access to the training in the back office, but you get live daily updates, training when the owner who created the system, Adriana Villegas, goes inside the coaching group, and she give live training on how to further build your brand and be more successful in an online business. We have Christian Noble. She welcomed Doreen Loganbin, Loganbottoms Weston. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce that, but yeah, at the pro level, and she's still working to get started to set up, but she's ready to learn how to make money. In the back office, it gives you a whole detail on how to get started. When you get started with Infinity Processing System, you want to come in, you want to watch the welcome video with Adriana. She's going to let you know how to get everything going and get started. I got my baby girl in here with me. And I'm back real quick. I had to take care of my baby girl. As you can see, I am a real person. I'm a real dad. I'm working from home, and I'm learning how to make a substantial income online so that I can spend more time with my daughter and being home with her and being able to spend more time with my family. I used to be a factory worker, and man, I'm telling you, 50, 60-hour day weeks plus mandatory weekends. It was a gritty thing, but I hustled it out, and that's what led me here online, because I want to find that time freedom to be able to spend more time with my family and make a income online. And with this program, it teaches you how to set everything on autopilot so you are able to spend that time freedom with your family. There's nothing more like that. But I want to go back over into the coaching group, is we have Doris welcoming someone in, and here she is welcoming another person in, Sarah, to the group so she can take a look around. And then, oh, we got Michael Smith help me welcome Kel Roberts to the group. He came in at the 600 level and ready to tear it up. Congratulations, Kel Robert. Give him a good hand clap. This system come with 3 different level, up to 4 different levels, from a starter level to a super affiliate level. I yet haven't went into the super affiliate level, just on the strength that where I came in at is the pro level. So I want to structure all my focus and learning this level first before I skip to the next. But you are allowed to come in at whatever level you please. Go down here, we'll have another member bringing in another member, Ernest O'Neill from James Famba. He's getting started at the starter level, which is the $50 startup level. So you can earn direct commissions with this. Is a member-to-member sales opportunity affiliate marketing. So you can earn commissions from 300 all the way up to 600 with this system. It's an online educational platform teaching you attraction marketing with pre-written ads that you can post to attract customers to you so you can start earning a daily pay. And again, here in the coaching group, she's here live and she's giving new training so you can learn how to be able to be more successful in this opportunity. It's one thing I do love about this group. You're another member bringing in 2 people. I don't know what's going on with my computer. It's malfunctioning on me, but if I click on the spaces, this is where she brought in 2 members at the super affiliate packet. So that was a $1,200 day for her. 2 sales, $1,200 in one day. Income disclosure, the earnings that you'll make is solely depend upon you and how you work the opportunity in the business. Not every commission and proof in here is guaranteed to you, but it's just depend on how you work the business. And here's another training from Adriana on how to use YouTube to generate leads and sales on autopilot. So again, this system teaches you how to set everything on autopilot, so that way you're not bothering anybody. You can be able to take the time to spend with your family while this system is doing all the selling and telling for you in the background, running for you, working for you 24/7. And here's another member getting started. Nick Reyes, he's coming in at the pro level, which is the $300 level. And again, congratulations to you, Mr. James, on bringing in Nick Reyes and getting started at the pro level. So he'll be able to earn from 300 to 150 to 50, which which is the starter level at 50, the elite level at 150, the 300 pro level, and the 600 super affiliate level. I do have the link in the description at the bottom if you want to check this out and get started with it today.